Yeah, I mean, as we talked about the metrics, the energy efficiency of a enthalpy recovery wheel in today's world is very very good. They generally are rated at 70 to 80% effective in transferring heat and moisture, and that's the reality of what you want to look at when you get these type of wheel applications to control the exchange from one environment to the other. And so the dedicated outside air industry has been using these wheels forever, and they are now being incorporated into the cannabis space in unique designs. The fan energy, when you look at the metrics that are going, and unfortunately in the cannabis space the metrics haven't caught up to the real world yet, but if you look at items like the DOAS unit and the ratings that are out there, fan energy becomes a component of it. It's not excluded, so the wheel becomes a portion of it, but how much fan energy is consumed to move over the pressure drop of these wheels must be incorporated within that energy design. And so these are elements that rate the overall efficiency of the system.